How to fix Outlook not receiving emails on iPhone. Then what you have iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your App Store or your Play Store depending on what device, and you have to make sure that your Outlook application is currently updated. Now it's very important for you to update your application. That is because it's a newer version and you can only have an access to new features once you update it, and there might be a problem or a bug there that is actually fixed once you update your application. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then what you have to do is to choose the Wi-Fi there. You make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, because maybe you've been waiting for the email and you're just not connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, and of course it has a strong connection there. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you can do next is to go here to your settings and go here to your general and iPhone storage and look for your Outlook application here, and offload the application, and then reinstall the application to just refresh the application. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do next is to just uninstall the application and reinstall the application, and that should fix the problem. Now, if it still doesn't work that way, then maybe there is a possibility that Outlook application is currently down, and all you have to do is to just wait for the Outlook community to actually fix that problem. And basically that's how you fix Outlook not receiving emails on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.